Hi everyone, and welcome to Hello Kitty and Characters Toy Surprises. Today we have this huge stationery set that we're going to unwrap and see what's inside. Let's take the plastic off. Let's remove them from the box. Okay, so let's get started and opening one of these bags here. It's a Hello Kitty mini stapler. And it's an eraser with Hello Kitty. And the next one. Then we take this with 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a cute little plastic case with a bow, Hello Kitty's face, and you can open. And here is a small mini pad. You can put your notes down, and it's got stickies, so it's like sticky notes. And then when you don't use them, you just put them back in the box. Hello Kitty's head with pink bow. And it's a white pen with the text Hello Kitty in red. And with red flowers and hearts. Right, and let's open this one. It's a pink pair of scissors with Hello Kitty here. And the text in red. And this is a cover. This is a pencil. And we have text in pink. And Kitty has a red bow on this pencil. And this is a pencil with bow, white pen with red decorations. We only got 3 more stuff to open. Super cute kitty. We have a Hello Kitty notebook with white pages. And then the last one. It's a pink Hello Kitty plastic folder. And in this one you can put your papers inside and store them. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay tuned for more fun surprises here on my channel, Hello Kitty and Characters Toy Surprises.